What is up, beautiful people of the world? Today, we are talking about how to travel from Medellin to Guatapé the cheap way. Cue the intro. Okay, I haven't filmed the cool travel tip intro yet, but maybe soon. Right now, I'm wearing this super sweet Columbia hat that I got in Comuna 13. This was made by some people over there. It's amazing, look at that. I don't usually wear it forward though, so we're gonna throw it backwards. For those of you who just joined in from a Google search and you just wanna find how to get to Guatapé fast, you're on a time crunch, this is the time code for you to go for the tutorial to start. I don't wanna keep you guys here if you don't wanna hang out with me. I would love it if you like this video if it's helpful for you, and subscribe if you wanna see more travel tips. But for those of you who have joined on in the last month, our community has grown so large. We've gotten 80 subscribers in the last month. That's almost like 3 people a day. And I remember when this channel wasn't getting 1 subscriber a month. So I am just super grateful for all of you who've joined in on this channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Josh Pavano. I am a travel addict and I love storytelling. So part of my channel is this travel tips segment where I give tips and tricks to you guys that I've learned along my years of traveling. I've been to over 30 countries, so this is my value back to you. This is my give back, my way of saying thank you for watching all of my other content. And I just want to make it accessible for you guys to travel, for you guys to volunteer abroad, for you to experience the world as best you can. And I think these travel tips are an awesome way to do that. So thank you guys for joining on this community. I hope these travel tips are helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can hit me up on Twitter, DM me there, hit me up on Instagram, DM me there. You can throw comments down below for questions. I'm super accessible. I want to be open to you to answer any questions about this travel tip or any others you might have found on my channel, or really anything that I can help you with. So this tip is how to get from Medellin to Guatapé the cheap way. Also, I'll be stopping in La Piedra, which is just outside of Guatapé, about 10-15 minutes. That's pretty much the main site you'll want to see in Guatapé, I'm guessing. It's what the main draw is, those Instagram pictures. I'll throw some up here, boom, 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 or something like that. I don't know, maybe it's just one. So here I am in Colombia walking you guys through how to make that trip. Good morning, beautiful people of the world. Today we are going to be going to Guatapé via public bus, so we're going to take you with us. I'm going to try my best to explain exactly what we're doing so that you know how to get there, and also to explain prices so you know whether to take a tour or to do it on your own. So first things first, you got to get to the metro and go to Caribe, C-A-R-I-B-E station to get to the bus terminal, north. You're going to buy your metro tickets here. Bought metro tickets, I believe the flat fare is $2,600, so we're going to take it to Caribe and go to the bus station from there to Guatapé. You get off the metro, you turn left, and then you go up the stairs, you exit, and you turn left again and head towards the bus terminal. When you get to the bus terminal, you go down to the ticket booths, and ticket booth number 14 and number 9. From there, you can get your bus tickets to Guatapé, and they tell you exactly which bus terminal number to go to. They give you different prices for La Piedra and Guatapé, but it seems like they just charge you the one price of 14,000 Colombian pesos. So far we're up to 16,600 to get here. Okay, you're on the bus for about 2 hours, 1 hour and 45 minutes, and then you can get to La Piedra, which is the rock in El Pinol. They let you off at a little gas station. There's a bathroom there for 500 pesos, and you can start walking up. Or you can head all the way to Guatapé and get off there. Either way, it's really up to you, however you want to do it. And just a few quick tips. One would be if you get road sickness, please, I would bring some Dramamine because it is a little windy and bumpy. And yeah, you might want to bring snacks because they don't stop, or go to the bathroom beforehand because they don't stop at all. We made it to the start of La Piedra, and it's 18,000 a person to go in. So add that on to your total for Guatapé because you're going to want to do this for sure. All right, we made it back down. It was totally worth it. I would say if you are not in shape, that it's going to be a very hard walk, but it is totally worth it for you to go up. It is a beautiful view of all of Guatapé, and it's totally worth it. I would say there's drinks and watermelons and all sorts of stuff up there, and a beautiful view, so I would highly recommend going up. We're going to head into the town of Guatapé and see what it costs to get there with a little tuk-tuk or something. Maybe we can join up with some other people to split the costs. Let's see how it goes. From the bottom of La Piedra to the terminal, the bus terminal, it was 15,000 copa, 15,000 Colombian pesos, and I split it with 3 people, so me, Bree, and one other person, so 5,000 a person, but you could probably fit up to 5 people and the driver in it if you really smash it tight. So just try to find some people around you who are going at the same time and save yourself some money by splitting it up. Thank you guys a bunch for watching this travel tip. I hope it was super helpful. If it was, do me a solid and smash the like button. Consider subscribing for other travel tips and other awesome videos that I release twice a week. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Love y'all. Bye-bye.
Our vessels, our rooms, we are so much less important than the things inside of us.